Hello skaters! In today's video we are going to work on all figure skating jumps using different arm positions. Each arm position is designed to focus on a specific part of the jump, whether it's the takeoff, the air position, or the landing, to help you improve your balance, control, and overall jump quality. We are going to start with the Waltz Jump, keeping your arms in front of you with your hands locked together. After a couple of backward crossovers, step onto your right backward outside edge. Line up your shoulders with your skating leg, then transition to a forward outside edge on your left foot. Try to maintain a slight twist in your upper body to the outside of circle and keep your arms steady as you glide on that forward outside edge. Then bring your right hip through and execute the Waltz Jump. Focus on controlling your upper body and keeping your arms in the same position as you land and glide on the backward outside edge in a strong landing position. This exercise helps you jump in the correct direction and prevents excessive arm and upper body swinging. For the Salchow jump, we are going to hold our hands on the waist from the beginning through the landing. As you glide on the left backward inside edge, check your right side slightly back to prepare for the takeoff. Just like in the Waltz Jump, lift your right hip as you complete the backward inside 3-turn, then execute a single Salchow. Focus on controlling your upper body and shoulders to prevent over-rotation. As you land, check out to the right and glide in your landing position, staying centered over your right leg. This exercise, along with the first one, helps you better understand your upper body alignment before and during the takeoff by eliminating unnecessary arm movements. If you're enjoying this video and learning something new, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips and tutorials. For even more support, consider joining my YouTube membership, where you can email me directly with all your skating questions and even request a personalized video on any element you are working on. Click the link above or look in the description below to join today. For the toe loop jump, we are going to keep the arms extended out to the sides, with the shoulders square and aligned with the hips. After executing a 3-turn, glide on your right backward outside edge. As you tap with your left toe, make sure your right shoulder stays in line with your right hip. Move through with your right leg while keeping your shoulders facing the direction of the jump. As your hips turn quickly from forward to backward, execute the toe loop and hold your landing position. This exercise helps you maintain correct shoulder and hip alignment during takeoff and improves your control by preventing early upper body rotation. For the loop jump, keep your arms down by your sides. Focus on initiating movement from your shoulders and legs, guiding your upper body in the direction of the jump. After initial upper body rotation, turn your hips, lift your free leg, jump, and rotate your hips in the air. Land on your backward outside edge while keeping your arms down and your shoulders aligned over your skating leg. This exercise helps your body feel much straighter in the air, using the natural alignment of your arms and torso to improve control and stability during the jump. For more detailed step-by-step tutorials on single jumps, spins, and skating skills, visit my website styleskating.com and sign up for my Figure Skating Foundations video course. This course includes 100 videos covering everything from your very first steps on the ice to more advanced skills. You will learn how to identify and correct the most common mistakes, prevent bad habits, and improve your overall learning experience. After completing the course, you will become a more confident skater and enjoy every moment of your time on the ice. Click the link above or check the description below for more information and sign up today. For the flip jump, we are going to keep our arms up, starting from the 3-turn and holding them through the entire jump. This arm position helps you stay balanced over your skating leg and keeps your shoulders aligned and not over-rotating, common mistake many skaters make. It also helps create a straighter, more controlled position in the air. Focus on controlling your upper body and shoulders through the jump and landing to maintain proper alignment and stability. And finally, the most difficult jump is the Lutz. Keep your arms folded in front of you as you step onto your left backward outside edge. Slightly twist your upper body to the right, then begin moving your upper body in the direction of the jump. After the toe pick tap, lift your left leg and move through the jump, keeping your arms folded in front. As you land, check your upper body to the right to maintain control and alignment. This exercise helps you avoid unnecessary arm movements, which can make it difficult to hold your backward outside edge and control your upper body twist. By keeping your arms folded in front, you will improve stability and alignment throughout the jump. Today we worked on all single figure skating jumps, focusing on different arm positions to help skaters improve upper body alignment, control, and twist. These exercises will help you maintain balance and glide before the jump, control the direction of the jump, and achieve a strong, stable landing position. Remember to practice these exercises consistently and pay attention to how your arms, shoulders, and hips work together during takeoff, flight, and landing. Thank you for joining me today. Keep practicing, stay confident, and enjoy every moment on the ice.